Hallo, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Appelflappen, the Dutch fried dough with apples. This is how we say Appelflappen. Appelflappen. And yeah, I pronounce the N at the end, but normally we do not do that. We would just say Appelflappen. There is a light emphasis on the first part of the word. Appelflappen. A-ppelflappen. So this is the plural version of the word because, you cannot just eat one appelflap, but if you need to, Appelflap is the singular version of it. Appelflap. We eat these almost exclusively on New Year's Eve, but you can buy Appelflappen during the entire month of December. I hope this video was helpful. Please help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!